Hello everyone and welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Life is lifing and I have my great nieces with me today, and I usually make an after school snack for them. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to be making a charcuterie board for them. They love cheese, they love pepperoni, and I give that to them a lot. That's one of their favorite after school snacks. So I got a new charcuterie board from Amazon. So while I'm giving them their after school lunch or snack, I decided let's just test out this charcuterie board and see how it works. I really like it. Anyway, so I'm using some the Colby Jack cheese, which they really, really like, pepperoni. Sometimes I'll give them the turkey pepperoni, but that's something that I recently discovered was turkey pepperoni. Um, so I eat that myself. But this is regular pepperoni that I'm giving them, and they absolutely love this kind of snack. I usually pair it with apples, grapes. They're not big fans of grapes, though. They're really not big fans of grapes. But check out this board. Excuse me. Check out this board. I really like this. The 4 utensils that fit right in a nice little slit on the board. Really nice for, as a little spatula, a little fork, all of that, a little knife for cheese and what have you. It's a cute little board. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, I think. So making up a little board for the girls, one age 10 and one age 5. They have super, super appetites too. So I sliced some apples and put them there. That's one of the treats. They always like apple slices. They like apple slices. Funny thing is they will not eat the skin either. They will not just eat an apple like you bite into an apple. No, that's not going to happen. So I always have to peel the apple for them and put that out for them. They like this.
So this cantaloupe we got from that India farmers market. So I don't think I have any room on here to add it. For a little color. I was afraid it wasn't going to be sweet because I didn't know if it was cantaloupe season yet.
Cantaloupe season is like more in the summer.
Yeah.
Or like spring, end of spring, summertime.
Right. So that's what I was afraid. I was like, is it really even going to be sweet? But I tasted it and it wasn't bad.
What I like about this board is there's a little slit on the side of the board that is
bad.
You can put like a row of crackers on, and the other little slit there could probably be used for maybe cream or some kind of sauce or something, dipping sauce.
Oh no, I'm using it. That's when we have a dinner party. So what are you gonna have? I'm filming this for my YouTube channel here.
What do you have?
I got. You wanna come see it?
Can I just cantaloupe? Like,
Yeah,
just share, Kenzie. You always have to share.
Okay.
I take my no olives.
No olives?
Yeah.
Got cheese.
I want everything except olives. That's really
No olives.
No olives.
No.
You want olives. I don't understand why you don't want olives, Kings. You tried them. Have you tried olives, then? You want to try one? Should I put one on your plate? All right, I'll put one on. Let you try it. Apples?
And cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe too?
Mm-hmm. And pepperoni.
And pepperoni.
Did you know I love pepperoni?
I do. I know that. I know that about you. And pepperoni. Crackers?
Yeah.
Yes, a few crackers. Okay. We'll have a few crackers. I think that's going to be it, guys. I am going to close out this video with thumbs up for the charcuterie board, which is now just about was empty. And that was a good one. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.